This is a very simple instruction on how to use the ladybugs, which are in most rooms in Mosley and University. If you're going to use the ladybug on the ENOOC, you want to do two things. You want to plug in the main power, and you want to plug from HDMI out into your HDMI input on the panel here. After that, there's a power button here. You just push it. It'll flash blue for a couple seconds. When it goes to a solid blue, you know you have an image up on the screen. What you want to do is make sure that you've got HDMI pushed over on your touch screen, and as you can see, you now have an image with a DocCam. It does take a few seconds to focus. It will focus on its own. It also has a manual focus. If you just push the button up in the head and just release it, it'll refocus itself. It does take a second. Give it time. It will work. If you were going to take the ladybug and move it to another section of the classroom to show something, what you want to do, remove the power, remove the HDMI. Your HDMI then plugs into this Extron controller. This basically is the wireless controller that goes up to the video projector. Plug it in to the HDMI port on the side, and then what you're going to do, once this is unplugged, you've got two plugs you've got to plug in when you go off into the classroom. One for the wireless, one for the ladybug. Once you plug those in and focus your subject on the ladybug, you want to come back to your touch screen and you want to hit Document Camera. Document Camera is only for when you're out in the classroom doing wireless. This is the portable ladybug document camera. Once the power is turned on, you'll notice a couple things. If you want to get the lamps on, there's two lamps on this. The first lamp is right under the head right here. If I push the lamp button, which is on the controller, okay, push this down, and there are actually two lamps, one here and one under the head. By pushing the lamp, we can control which lamp stays on. In fact, this one is now on. Push it off, now we're both off. Push it again, the bottom lamp comes on. Push it another time, both lamps will come on. Again, it'll take one off, and then they're both off. If you're using the ladybug in a lab, it has a adapter that slides onto the lens where you can use it and attach it to a microscope. The adapter goes on, clicks into place, and the mode will automatically change into a microscope mode. It also has two rubber bushings that fit inside the adapter. This is so the eyepiece will fit snugly against this, and you're set to go.